Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's social media channels. We have a 2023 LT gas 6.6 liter 2500 crew cab. MSRP $61,875. We are honoring GM employee supplier pricing. Costco members, you get an additional $1,000 rebate through January 3rd of 2023. This one has the Midnight Edition, which you probably already noticed. A lot of blacked out items here. This makes me very happy. I love blacked out. I love Midnight Edition. You got the 20-inch black rims with the black chevron. We got the All-Star Edition on this one. Heated front seats being a big one. Power driver seat. Working our way over. One of the nice additions the last few years. Love the little side assist step there to get into the back. I'm 6 feet tall and it would still be a challenge for me to reach over. You're gonna have the 12 tie-down points. You got the LED lighting that you can see there. Also, this one's got the Convenience 2 package. So you got the power sliding rear window, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, hitch guidance. Of course, this one's got the towing package. Got your electrical outlet there. This one also has the fifth wheel / gooseneck prep package and the Z71 Off Road Package. I'm going to have a link down below with more information. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 513-932-0303. Thank you and have a great day.